Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling the screen reader feature on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The screen reader reads what is on the screen and is intended for visually impaired people. To turn it on from the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Screen Reader from the left side menu. Enable the setting called Enable Screen Reader. Screen Reader is now turned on. You can change the speech speed, the voice type, and the voice volume here. You can also turn it off again by disabling that first setting. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.